Hello there. Yes, you. So you're planning to study abroad? This year? Is it for the MS program? Or an MBA? Or maybe you could be even taking up music or literature. Well, you got a lot going like which country, test and test preparation, sending applications to multiple universities, confirming admissions, receiving your I-20 if you're flying to the US, and your visa. How exciting! But in planning all of this and running around for that, chances are that you might find yourself paused. The reason being finance. Starting with your test prep costs all the way to paying your course fees to that dream university you choose. So, how do you go about planning for finances? You may choose to beg, borrow, or steal. Of course, stealing is not advisable. Chances are you might be successful in putting together some funds, but at what cost? Your parents' hard-earned savings, which could have been invested for their well-deserved better years, would have dried up. After all, they've done so much for you. Or you may even borrow from your friends or relatives, but then they may stop by and snoop around. You might consider approaching a bank or a lender who may not fulfill your requirement, or the financing may not be on fair terms, or simply put, their whole process may just drive you insane. In the end, you realize you may not be able to make it and hence settle for something less. So, how do you get your finances right? All you need to do is to make the smart choice. Start with smart, start with Avanse. Avanse Financial Services Limited is a new age education finance company and part of the DHFL group. We believe in enabling financial access on fair terms to fuel your aspirations. We understand that the financing aspects differ from country to country, and sometimes they even differ for different courses across universities. We know that financing, if deployed at the right stage, enhances your chances of securing admission to your dream university. Over thousands of students studying at some of the most prestigious universities across the world have made their smart choice with Avanse. And they continue to send us their love and suggestions that inspire us and make us work harder to always bring out the best. No wonder that top universities and education counselors across India prefer us when it comes to their students' financial requirement. Today, Avanse is present across Mumbai, Delhi, Bengaluru, Chennai, Pune, Ahmedabad, Kolkata and Hyderabad. Our services are also extended across India through the vast DHFL network, making sure that we are always close by to serve you. Well, what's this smart study loan all about? At Avanse, we're in tune with your needs, your dreams and aspirations. Our products are pro-you, pro-parent and pro-future. So we have come up with something so comprehensive that makes it the smartest. Here's why. For starters, we have the Bridge feature. What's it all about? As the name suggests, it bridges your financing requirements right from your test preparation fees to the expert advice fee that you may pay your study abroad counselor, to the cost of applying to your dream university and other teeny-weeny expenses that go into making your application. Of course, not forgetting the course fees and living expenses. Moving on to our next feature. Well, you obviously will be applying to different universities, and you may need to show your proof of funds at the time of your application. Voila! Here's PAL, a pre-admission loan that declares your financial capability and hence acts as your PAL and your proof of funds. Or, it could be that you may have already applied and just waiting for your admission confirmation, or your I-20, or maybe your visa interview. Well, here's where smart financing actually muscles you up. Presenting our pre-visa disbursement loan. What's that all about? It's about having your funds right in your account way before your visa. How does it help? Let's say when your university requires you to do an initial deposit to secure your admission, or the immigration norms of the country may require you to deposit your living expenses in a block account or a combination of both. That's when you'll realize that PVD is for you. Smart, isn't it? Well, that's not all. Smart students need smart financing. At Avanse, the aim is to fuel the aspirations of bright students like you. So we have features like GRE score-based financing, secured and unsecured loan mix, multiple co-borrower facility, and multi-city access. Of course, all this comes with the Avanse Edvantage, where we put no upper limit to your loan and aspirations. Comprehensive loan structuring, 100% funding with no margin money to be paid, covering your complete cost of education. All this in just 4 days. With our quick loan processing, hassle-free and transparent process, Doorstep Service, and a lot of value-added benefits like flexible repayments to ease your life. And once you've gone abroad, you can stay connected to your loan account with Avanse Access, your very own loan portal, anytime, anywhere. As a responsible lender, Avanse is committed to delivering the best service while following practices that ensure you have your credit right with no hidden surprises. So go forth, get in touch with us now. Take charge of your future, fuel your aspirations. Our eager relationship officer shall be right at your doorstep to take you along the smarter way of financing and fly you off to that university. So go ahead and make your smart choice. Start with smart, start with Avanse.